Why two people with the same income can end up wealthy or struggling financially. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to destination for expert insights on finance, stocks, and ETFs. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies needed to navigate the financial markets with confidence. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a strong investment portfolio or an experienced investor seeking market trends and analysis, we've got you covered. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts, explore market opportunities, and help you climb the ladder to financial success. Subscribe now and take control of your wealth journey. The key differences that determine why two people with the same income can have such different financial outcomes often lie in their habits, mindset, and decision-making. One of the most significant factors is their spending habits. While one person may consistently live below their means, saving and investing a portion of their income, the other may indulge in immediate gratification, spending on luxuries without considering long-term financial stability. Over time, the habit of saving and investing compounds, while excessive spending can lead to stagnation. Another crucial difference is the mindset each person adopts. A person with a growth mindset believes that their financial future is shaped by the choices they make and embraces learning and adaptation. They take risks and learn from failures, while someone with a fixed mindset might feel stuck and rely on external factors like their job or the economy. This person may not seek to change their financial situation. Furthermore, the ability to delay gratification plays a big role in determining financial success. Those who prioritize long-term financial growth over short-term pleasures, such as buying luxury items or taking frequent vacations, are more likely to achieve financial freedom. In contrast, those focused on immediate satisfaction may struggle to build wealth. Decision-making also plays a crucial part, especially in the realm of investments. The financially successful individual is likely to seek out opportunities to invest in assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses, while the other person might avoid risks or remain uninformed, missing opportunities for growth. Additionally, the long-term thinker focuses on building assets and generating passive income, while those with a short-term perspective may remain financially stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. Risk-taking is another factor. The person who becomes wealthy over time is often the one who embraces calculated risks and adapts to new opportunities, whether it's starting a side business or investing in emerging trends. Ultimately, while income plays a role, it's the combination of good habits, a growth-oriented mindset, and wise decision-making that creates lasting wealth. Even with the same income, two people can have vastly different financial outcomes based on their approach to money. The first thing to understand is that what you make is only one part of the equation in becoming wealthy. Unfortunately, in our society, we tend to focus more on income rather than the financial habits that actually lead to financial stability. According to a 2024 payment study, 1/3 of people earning more than $200,000 a year reported living paycheck to paycheck, and 48% of those making over $100,000 per year face the same struggle. This seems surprising. One would assume that earning $200,000 a year, which comes to around $112,000 a month after taxes, would provide financial stability. Yet statistics show that even those earning 2.5 to 3 times the average U.S. salary can end up struggling financially. This primarily comes down to 3 common mistakes that lead to financial instability, even for those with high incomes. The first mistake is lifestyle inflation. The fastest way to sabotage any extra income is by increasing your spending simply because you can. In the book The Millionaire Next Door, written in 1996, the authors studied the habits of wealthy individuals and found that those who accumulated significant wealth tended to keep their lifestyles modest even as their incomes increased. A simple example is making coffee at home instead of spending $5 on a daily latte, which adds up over time. On the other hand, many high-earning professionals, such as doctors and lawyers, often drive luxury cars and live in expensive neighborhoods to match their colleagues' lifestyles, leading them into deep debt. The book compares wealth building to playing offense and defense in a game. Offense represents a high income, while defense is about keeping expenses low. Without good financial defense, wealth accumulation becomes nearly impossible. The second common mistake is carrying too much debt. Credit cards and loans make it easy to live beyond one's means, but monthly payments on depreciating assets, such as cars, eat away at long-term financial growth. Consider two friends, Joe and Martin, both earning $75,000 per year. Joe has $5,000 in credit card debt with a 20% interest rate, meaning he must allocate $500 per month to pay it off. This reduces his ability to save or invest. Meanwhile, Martin has no debt and invests $500 per month in the stock market, earning an average of 8% per year. In just 1 year, Martin's investment could grow significantly, while Joe is stuck paying off past expenses. Over decades, this financial gap only widens, reinforcing how debt can significantly impact financial freedom. The third major mistake is failing to track expenses. Without a clear understanding of spending habits, it's easy to overspend and unknowingly hinder long-term financial success. People often underestimate how much they spend, particularly when using credit cards. A study by MIT researchers found that credit card purchases trigger a reward center in the brain, making spending feel more satisfying, while cash transactions create a stronger awareness of financial loss. This psychological difference leads to overspending when using cards, as there's less immediate pain associated with the purchase. Those who don't track their spending tend to underestimate their expenses, leading them to live paycheck to paycheck despite earning a decent income. Now that we've covered the habits that lead to financial instability, let's focus on the habits that build wealth. The first habit is investing early. If two individuals with the same income make different investment choices, their financial outcomes can be vastly different. Suppose Martin starts investing $2,400 per year from age 20 to 30, while Joe waits until he is 30 and invests the same amount annually for 35 years. Surprisingly, Martin, who invested for just 10 years, will end up with more money than Joe due to the power of compound interest. Despite contributing only $24,000 compared to Graham's $84,000 over a lifetime, Martin's early start allows his investments to grow exponentially. This highlights the immense value of beginning to invest as early as possible. The second habit of financially successful individuals is paying themselves first. Many people spend their entire paycheck and save only if there is money left over, which often leads to nothing being saved. Instead, a better approach is to set aside a percentage of each paycheck before spending on anything else. For instance, if someone earns $1,500 every 2 weeks, setting aside $250 first ensures consistent savings and investments. This simple habit, when practiced over time, leads to financial stability and growth. The third habit is focusing on acquiring assets instead of liabilities. Wealthy individuals prioritize spending money on things that appreciate in value or generate income, such as stocks, real estate, or starting a business. In contrast, those who struggle financially often spend money on depreciating assets, such as cars and luxury goods, which lose value over time. For example, a car loan not only requires monthly payments, but also accrues interest while the car itself decreases in value. This difference in spending priorities determines long-term financial outcomes, even for individuals with the same income. Beyond habits, financial success is also influenced by one's mindset. A person with a scarcity mindset constantly worries about money and hesitates to invest, fearing financial loss. This mindset often results in hoarding cash, rather than putting it to work through investments. Additionally, some individuals with a scarcity mindset cope with financial stress by spending impulsively, seeking short-term gratification instead of long-term growth. On the other hand, those with an abundance mindset see money as a tool that can be used to create more wealth. They believe in their ability to generate more income in the future and take calculated risks, such as investing in personal growth or new ventures. This mindset shift makes a significant difference in achieving financial success. Ultimately, financial freedom isn't just about how much money you earn, it's about how well you manage it. Avoiding lifestyle inflation, minimizing debt, and tracking expenses form the foundation of financial stability, while investing early, paying yourself first, and focusing on assets help build lasting wealth. Combined with the right mindset, these habits can determine whether someone remains stuck financially or achieves financial freedom, even if they earn the same income as others. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. At Wealth Echelon, we're all about helping you navigate the world of crypto, investing, and financial growth. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay sharp, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next one.